Ever noticed how many people look financially successful, yet feel just one paycheck away from stress? They aren't struggling or poor, just quietly tense, maintaining an image that feels incredibly heavy daily. That dangerous gap between looking successful and actually building wealth is exactly where most people live. Imagine a 30-year-old professional, solid job. After taxes, they bring home roughly $4,000 monthly. Rent immediately claims $1,400. It feels normal, but it is the first major financial strike. A car payment takes $450. Utilities and subscriptions grab another $350 before you even blink. Groceries and dining take $600. Student loans quietly subtract another $300 from the pile. Before anything unexpected happens, $3,300 is gone. The remaining $700 must cover everything else. On paper, this person earns well. In reality, they are financially fragile and running on fumes. The mistake isn't laziness or stupidity. The real issue is, modern life is optimized for appearance. Everything pushes the idea that success must be visible. A newer car signals progress, not debt. Travel photos and upgraded phones aren't irrational. The problem is strictly how they are being financed. That car payment isn't small. Over 5 years, with interest and insurance, it costs $35,000. Invest that same payment for 25 years, and it quietly grows to over $300,000. The system trains us to think monthly, but real wealth is built by thinking in decades. We fear falling behind socially. No one wants to be the only adult who didn't upgrade. So we optimize for the present. We unknowingly trade our future flexibility for current social validation. At 50, the career feels heavy because quitting isn't an option. Obligations grew alongside the income. Financially intelligent people don't view money as a reward. They see it as a stress reduction tool. Looking successful is easy. The system is designed for it. Building wealth is quieter, but stable. Rational thinking is rare online. If this helped you think clearly, consider clicking subscribe right now.